This video explains the basic settings of color gradation and transparency. Creating objects with these two features can increase the amount of information and improve visibility and cognition. You can create the sophisticated screen like designers do, and it looks better. Let's see how to use the features with creating a basic switch. Use a grid screen and create the cell where an object is placed. Place a text box object on the grid object. Edit the text. Next, select Linear Gradient for Fill Type in Properties. The angle property is shown, and the direction of gradation can be selected. Select the downward direction, and the tone will be natural as if the object is illuminated by the light. With the Color Stops property, you can set the start color and an end color of gradation. Set the start and end colors to the same green of ID 3. And set the start transparency to 50%. To express a gradation that gradually gets lighter, select the same color for the start and the end, but select a different transparency value for either of the two. Add a shadow property to express a push-button switch. The gradual transparency and shadow makes it look like a 3D switch. Finally, select Function, Detail, Press Effect, and enable Shift. Now you can see the button held down when touched. When it's placed on the screen, the background passes through it, so it can be used as a switch suitable for 3D and digital design.